In this video, we will migrate a website from a Plesk server to another Plesk server. We will be using Plesk Migrator extension provided by Plesk to migrate sites between the servers. We are logged into Plesk control panel of the destination server. We will be copying the website from another server to this server. Click on Extensions link on the left menu. Then click on My Extensions. That will show all installed extensions. We will be using Plesk Migrator. Click on the open link. Then click on Start New Migration. Panel type, select the Plesk for Linux. This is the control panel in the source server. Now enter the source server IP address. This is the IP address of the server from where we are migrating the website. Then enter the root login. Username is root. We will be using password authentication. So select user/password. Then enter the root password. Paste the root password. SSH port is 22. Then click on Prepare Migration. We got an error. Version of the Plesk in the target server is lower than the version of Plesk in the source server. So what we need to do is, this is the target server. We need to upgrade the Plesk on this server. Let us close this and go to Tools and Settings. Under the Plesk heading, click on Updates. We are using Plesk 18.0.30. Latest version available 18.0.40. Click on Install Update Products. Click on Continue. The Plesk upgrade have started. Plesk is getting upgraded to latest version 18.0.40. Let's wait until the process finish. The Plesk upgrade has been completed. Click on OK. Now the version is 18.0.40. Let's close the Plesk installer. Go back to extensions. We got logged off. It may be due to the upgrade. Let us log in back. Now click on My Extensions. On this page, click on the Open button under the Plesk Migrator. Under the Migrator, we have two migrations. The second entry is for the half-finished migration we have done. We will delete this entry and start a fresh migration. Click on Start New Migration. Enter the source server IP here. Then username is root and authorization user/password. Enter the password for the user root. Click on Prepare Migration. On the server we have one website. To migrate it, click on the website. Then click on Select one object. So the website is moved to the right side. Here we have some options. Migrate email message, migrate website files, migrate databases, migrate external ID. Click on the Migrate button. Plesk is preparing for the migration and checking if everything is okay. Once the check is completed, Plesk is showing some of the warnings. Some of the Apache modules are not installed. Remote IP SSL. Okay, the second warning is about domain keys turned off in the server destination server, and that we can enable. Plesk extension domain connect not installed. It is not critical. Plesk extension monitoring not installed. Again, this is not critical. Grafana, again a monitoring plugin. HT access to Nginx, not standard module. We can ignore that. MySQL database with the username WordPress 7 already exists in the target server. It will rename the database to a different name on the target server. So we need to update the WordPress wp_config and update the database name. That is fine. Let's continue with the migration. Click on Start Migration. Plesk is now doing the migration of the website. Site migration is now completed. Now what you need to do is edit the DNS and point domain name to the new server IP address. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.